Hey, in this video, I will show you how to change the age on your TikTok account. Normally, you set up the age of your TikTok account when signing up. They don't really let you change it, but there's a trick that you can do, and it works on an Android device and on an iPhone. So, if you appreciate me making this video, make sure you hit the like button, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, because it really helps me out. Subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So the first thing you want to do is go over to TikTok, go on your Me profile, click on the three dots, go down until you find report a problem. Click on it, and from there, when it loads up, you want to click on account and profile right here, this tab, and you want to click on uh, editing profile. Here it is. Then you want to click on other, and you want to here click on still have a problem, and here you can explain that you want to change the age of your TikTok account and let TikTok know what age what is your actual age. If this video helped you out, give me a like. Want to see you in the next one.